Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Cerakote headlight restoration. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Cerakote headlight restoration. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. If your car's headlights have become cloudy, yellowed, or scratched over time, Cerakote headlight restoration is an excellent solution to restore their clarity and functionality. This advanced ceramic coating technology is designed to not only improve the appearance of your headlights but also protect them from future damage, ensuring optimal performance for years to come. Cerakote is renowned for its durability and resistance to environmental factors like UV rays, road salts, and harsh weather conditions, which are typically responsible for headlight degradation. By applying a thin, clear protective layer to the surface of your headlights, Cerakote preserves their clarity while reducing the likelihood of further oxidation or discoloration. The result is a significant improvement in both the look and brightness of your headlights. The application process is quick and straightforward, typically taking just a few hours to complete, and it can be done by professionals or as a DIY project with the right tools. With Cerakote's long-lasting protection, you will not only enhance the appearance of your vehicle but also improve your nighttime visibility and safety on the road. Investing in Cerakote headlight restoration is a cost-effective alternative to costly headlight replacements, making it a smart choice for car owners looking to restore their headlights to like-new condition without breaking the bank. Don't let foggy or dim headlights compromise your safety. Choose Cerakote for a reliable, lasting solution. Thanks for watching the video.